Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you tutorial on how to remove ads on your browser with easy steps. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome. Now, if it's open, search for Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store is where we can download extensions needed to block ads. If you're there already, go to the upper left corner and search for adblocker. After that, click Extensions to filter your searches. Now, scroll down and let's try to look for an ad blocker that we can use. If you cannot find any ad blocker you want, I recommend this ad blocker because I already tested it and it's working. Now let me show you how to activate it. If you're done looking for an ad blocker, click it. Then click Add to Chrome to install it on your browser, but for me I already installed it. After you installed it, we need to make sure that it is activated. We can do that by going to your browser settings and look for extensions, then click it. So as you can see here, these are all the extensions you have on your browser, even the ad blocker that we installed. Now let's go to a website which has ads and let's check if our ad blocker is working. So as you can see here at the left and right corner, it is full of ads. Beware not to click them because they can redirect you to a site with viruses. Now let's remove these ads by activating our ad blocker. Then return to that site and refresh it. There we go, the ads are gone and now you can start safe browsing. So that's it guys for today's video. Thanks for watching and I hope you learned something from this video.